particle wa indicates a noun as a topic by placing the spotlight on it. You put the spotlight on the topic and it says this is a topic in the sentence. That's my image and I will explain more later. Let's understand the basic difference between particle wa and particle ga first. Here's a certain difference. Particle wa, new information followed after particle wa. For the particle ga sentence, new information comes before particle ga. For example, when I introduce myself, 私はオカメです。The important information is オカメです。But for the particle ga, new information comes right before particle ga. 私がオカメです。It sounds like I am オカメ. So important information is I am オカメ. Topic mark. When you compare the topic marker wa and the subject marker ga, subject marker sounds strong, right? So when I want to emphasize something, I tend to use particle ga for new information. If you have learned Japanese for a while, you already know that in some case, the particle ga is normally used, which is question words. It's never followed by particle wa. います、あります expression. 好きです、嫌いです Those expressions normally we use a particle ga. And the last case is a subclause. Whenever you want to make a subclause, then you have to use a particle ga as a subject. I'm afraid the question word, I never hear the question sentence which is followed by particle wa. But all the other three cases, you can replace the particle ga with a particle wa. But then it sounds a little bit different. It has a different nuance. Let me explain that. So, particle wa is like a spotlight. It's maybe a little bit weak than certain level. But imagine in the darkness, you only see only the topic, right? So that's why particle wa also have a nuance that this, but nothing else. So let's say います、あります. If I say コーヒーはあります, then it sounds like I have a coffee, but nothing else. That's how it sounds like. And normally, whenever I hear those sentences, it should followed by paradox sentence, such as コーヒーはありますが、お茶はありません. I have a coffee, but not tea. And even the 好きです、嫌いです expression, コーヒーは好きです. Then it sounds like I like coffee, but nothing else. That's how it sounds like because you are supposed to use particle ga for those expressions. But if you use a particle wa, I cannot help thinking you have some intention to say this, but nothing else. As I said, particle wa is like a spotlight. You can see it from far. Whenever you use a particle wa in the subclause, I'm afraid that it cannot be the topic only for the subclause, but it's also the topic for the main clause. So here's an example. 母はお風呂に入るとき歌います。母がお風呂に入るとき歌います。To my Japanese ear, it sounds totally different. For the first sentence, 母はお風呂に入るとき歌います。If I use a topic marker, 母は, then who sing a song is my mother for sure. When my mother take a bath, she sing a song in the bath. But for the second sentence, if you use a particle ga, I cannot tell who is singing a song while my mother is taking a bath. It could be my mother who sing a song, or it could be me, it could be my brother or any other family. So two sentences, just one particle is different. It sounds totally different. Whenever you see the topic marker in subclause, yes, it is a topic for the subclause, but it is also the topic for the main clause. That's the rule for the topic marker. One more thing special for the particle wa is particle wa also have effect of the afterglow. So whenever you hear the particle は like 私はオカメです。日本人です。女性です。Particle は can also offer the topic for the next line. I'm afraid that this cannot be happen for the particle が because particle が always provide the new information.